It's cleaner, isn't it?
4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 5 half long and hairpin left plus slippy. Right 7 opens 40. Left 8, tight, don't cut. And left 2, 40. Care, left 3, right 9 plus. And left 8. Care, 40. To left 7, logs close. Into right 1 over flat crest. 150. Left 3. 130 past logging to right 3 care, 40, left 2 tightens, into deceptive left 4 over small crest. Right 2 over dip, through dip, 40, to left 4 to right 5, tightens, mud ahead into right 7 over crest past lane, 80, left 2, into left 7, continues for 100. Slippy, 250 down. Right 2, then 40, slippy, left 4, care don't cut. 40, turn hairpin right. 130. Left 7 plus through dip. Right 3. 100. Right 1, care, don't cut. Well held. Right 1, don't cut into left 4, tightens on crest. 40. Right 3, tightens into right 4, long, camber over junction. 100. Left 2, then 40, downhill to slippy, right 5. 150 over small crest. To right 2. 60, right 4 opens, into right 2 long, 40, small crest bump middle and downhill to right 4 plus long, middle over crest jump, and 60 down to left, 60 down to left 2, 80 down to hairpin left plus past lane, logs. Into left 7, plus, and right 8 long, into hairpin left plus. Well held, into right 3, 100 down the middle, care, right 8 half long, past lane late, slippy, car off, 100 up the middle, left 3, long, care, and left 8, right 3. And left 4 plus opens, continues for 130, into right 4, care, don't cut, slippy, long. Into posts and turn left 8, don't cut. 40, up mid rough, posts into left line plus. Into posts, 60, right 3, continues for 100. Into right 7, care long, stay neat, slippy, keep tight. 80, right 4 long plus. There you go. And left 4 opens, continues for 100. 60 to turn left 9, narrow and slippy. 40, very slippy. Left 8, tight. Into middle over small crest. 60, middle over small crest bump, 100 bumpy, to right 3. 80, care ahead, left 4 tightens over crest bump, slow in, and downhill for right 5. Opens, 100, to right 3 tightens care slippy, into right 5 long, very slippy, into right 3 long tightens care camber, and 150 down the middle. Care right 4 slippy, into crest jump and dip.
Let's see.
There we go. And right 2, over finish, 60, crest, you